Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add Visa gift card to Oculus Quest 2. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Oculus, click on the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding a Visa gift card to your Oculus Quest 2 can be a convenient way to manage your spending on apps, games, and other purchases because for one, a Visa gift card allows you to limit your spending to the amount on the card, helping you manage your budget and avoid overspending. Now, for example, you receive a Visa gift card as a gift. Using it for Oculus Quest 2 purchases ensures you spend it on something you enjoy because using a gift card can be safer than linking a primary credit or debit card, reducing the risk of unauthorized charges. Because as we all know, Visa gift cards are widely accepted and easy to use, making them a convenient payment method, alright? Now, for us to be able to add Visa gift card to our Oculus Quest 2 account, I need you to hover to your profile icon, which is in the upper right corner. I need you to click on the settings, right? Now, you can also do this on the mobile device if you open the Oculus app. It's the same thing. If you're more comfortable using your web version, I need you to hover to where it says payment methods. All right, click on it. Now, as you can see, these are your options to add a payment methods. Of course, all we have to do is click on the add a credit or debit card. And from here, what you need to do is, now you want to make sure that your Visa gift card has enough balance to cover the purchases you intend to make. You can usually check the balance online by calling the number at the back of your card. For example, you're going to be using the vanilla Visa gift card. So when you click on it, most of the time, it needs to be registered online or by phone to be used for online purchases. So again, just follow the instructions provided with the card. Now, once you get a hold of the numbers, all you have to do is switch back to your Oculus account and put the information here. After doing so, all you have to do is click OK and follow the on-screen instructions. Now, let me tell you, if you encounter any problems along the way adding Visa gift card to your Oculus Quest 2 account, you might want to go here instead. This is the Oculus Quest 2 Help Center, and from here you can type in your questions to get an answer, or you can contact the support. And from there, if you get a hold of one of the customer support staff, tell them you're having problems adding Visa gift card to your Oculus Quest 2 account. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.